Hello everyone! Today, we are diving into a controversial topic regarding bioethics, the human cloning. I know you already heard about human cloning in science fiction movies like Oblivion in 2013 and my personal favorite, The Sixth Day in 2005. Before, it was just a concept in biology and happened only in sci-fi movies. But now, it is a scientific possibility. Even though the technology does exist in some form, there are a lot of ethical concerns with it. Let's examine what human cloning is and the reasons it presents such a bioethical dilemma. First of all, what is bioethics? Bioethics is the study of ethical, social, and legal issues that arise in biomedicine and biomedical research. It is the application of the principles of ethics to the field of medicine and healthcare. One bioethical issues that arise from today's generation is the human cloning. We all know what human cloning is, but let me define it in scientific terms. Cloning creates genetically identical copies of organisms. So human cloning is the process of creating a genetically identical human. We have two types of cloning. First, reproductive cloning, and the other one is the therapeutic cloning. Reproductive cloning is defined as the deliberate production of genetically identical individuals. Each newly produced individual is a clone of the original, while therapeutic cloning involves creating a cloned embryo for the sole purpose of producing embryonic stem cells with the same DNA as the donor cell. In short, it is the cloning of cells or tissues and grow into organs to treat disease. Now, we are going to discuss the bioethical issues associated with human cloning. First is about identity. If a human clone is 100% genetically identical to another person, is the clone has the same right or freedom as the original person? There is also an argument that clones may not be considered humans and only seen as products. And it seems so extremely unfair. Another key issue is exploitation. The ability to clone could lead to a dangerous circumstance in which humans are cloned for specific objectives, such as organ harvesting, task performance, or the replication of desirable qualities. This reduces human life to a means to a purpose, which violates fundamental ethical principles about a person's inherent value. While human cloning presents severe ethical difficulties, it is equally critical to recognize the potential benefits, which make the topic worth considering. Therapeutic cloning allows scientists to create genetically matched tissues or organs that can be utilized to cure disorders such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, as well as repair damaged organs without the risk of rejection. This could revolutionize the field of organ transplantation and save countless lives. Another possible advantage is infertility treatment. Cloning may someday provide an alternative option to having genetically related children for couples who are unable to conceive through traditional or assisted reproduction. Now, let's talk about the laws regarding human cloning in different countries. Laws vary widely around the world, reflecting different cultures, religions, and ethical standards. In the United States, human cloning is restricted only in research purposes that is funded by their government, while in UK, therapeutic cloning is allowed but reproductive cloning is banned. In Germany, all forms of cloning is banned due to strong ethical concerns. And here in the Philippines, cloning is banned under the Cloning Prohibition Act of 2007. As we've seen, human cloning is more than just science fiction. It is a real issue that challenges how we think about life. So, should we allow human cloning? Well, Many countries, like here in the Philippines, say no to human cloning right now because the ethical implications outweigh the benefits. But since technology is continuously evolving, therapeutic cloning might be 100% safe and successful to use for treating diseases and organ transplants. All we have to do is to balance the scientific progress with moral responsibility. That is all for today, and I hope you learned something. If you find this video insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Bye!